Hi guys, I've got some exciting news today. I'm so happy about this development because I learned about it today. So, the broker that I use, you probably already know, one of the biggest names in Forex trading, XM. They now have cryptos. They used to have them, and for some reason they removed them. I don't know what had happened, but now cryptos are back. So if you click on the link in the description box below, it's going to bring you to this page, and you simply have to go to trading, and you can see the cryptocurrencies are back. Now you can trade cryptos with XM. What does this mean for me? What does this mean for you? Why am I so excited? Because now you can do all your trading with one broker. No having a broker for that, a broker for this, a broker for that. Now you can trade your Forex, your crypto, your stocks, your commodities, your equities, your precious metals, energies, shares with just one good broker. XM is world class. So if we go into cryptocurrencies, let's just see what they have to offer. I'm so happy about this. Now you can trade cryptos 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We have seen what has been happening in the crypto space, many developments happening there, and the market itself is one of those markets that are premised to actually see a boom. So now you can actually get into the crypto space and see if you can make some money there. And the good thing about being open 24 hours a day and 7 days a week is, even if you are primarily focused on Forex, we know Forex is 5 days a week. So your Saturday and Sunday, you can simply check in into the crypto space and see what is Bitcoin doing, what is Ethereum doing. Can you buy? Can you sell? How can you take advantage of that market as well? So the good thing about XM is when you're trading crypto, you pay a zero swap. You can leverage up to 250, and they are promising tight spreads and no records. These are some of these things that had me worried with other brokers, because they make you want to pay a lot in fees, in commissions, and these other brokers who make it hard to make money, but not with XM. If we scroll down, you can see that these cryptos can be traded on their standard and micro accounts, and on their ultra low standard and micro accounts. So what do they have? They have Bitcoin Cash. You can trade Bitcoin Cash with XM. They've got Bitcoin. They've got Ethereum. They've got Litecoin. They've got Ripple. So you just have to choose which market you want to join in for now. For now, this is what they have. Probably they'll add more instruments here, but for now, these are the cryptos that you can trade with XM. Let's just maybe get into Bitcoin Cash and see. So these are the benefits of trading with crypto with XM. Zero commission. You don't pay commission for trading with XM. You don't pay fees. Zero fees. You don't pay swap on crypto. This is on crypto. You don't pay for swap, and you can leverage up to 250. And it's 24 hours, 7 days a week trading. And it's available both on MT4 and MT5. So you can simply come here and open an account. You just decide between these accounts, a standard account or a micro account or an ultra low standard account, which one best suits your taste. After looking at, for example, you can consider things like Sorry about that. You can consider things like spread, and you can consider things about minimum, maximum trading size, and you just look there. So probably you are looking for lower spread, then obviously you need to look this section. If you are not if you're okay with spread and you are looking for other things, then you just come this side. It's as simple as that. As simple as that. So the exciting thing now is that you can trade now everything, everything that can be traded with just one broker, not having your forex with XM, your cryptos with some other broker and stuff like that. And the good thing, I always tell people that the good thing about XM, it so happens that I land on this page, is they are so invested in making sure that you become the best version of trader that you can be. For example, they always have seminars and lessons, webinars, and stuff like that to turn you into the best trader that you can be. For example, here they are going to be coming to South Africa. I'll leave the link in the description box below where you can actually sign up for one of these seminars. They are going to be teaching about trading indices. So they are going to be experts about teaching you how to trade indices. And it's for free. So you need to sign up today. You need to sign up today. And they're going to be in Johannesburg, Durban, and Cape Town. End of February, beginning of March. So secure your place, secure your seat today. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Now, I was talking about education. You can come here and you can see the whole offering that they have when it comes to teaching you to become a better trader. And these seminars and webinars and tutorials have been prepared by people who have been in the market longer than you and I have been. So, and it's for free. You can simply watch these educational videos, and you don't need to pay a dime. Look, you don't need to pay a dime. You have all these sections. You don't need to pay anybody for this, and it's coming from people who have the knowledge of the markets. And you can also come to their webinars. I always join these webinars. I always join these webinars just to hear from people who know more than I do. So you can simply join these webinars. And or you can come to this section where they have research to help you make decisions when you are trading, to help so that you don't throw a dice and decide whether you are buying gold or whether you are selling. You do it with knowledge from their research. So there's news there, daily news that might affect the movement of a currency or a metal or something like that. So they've got news there from Reuters. We all know Reuters is one of those most trusted news sources, and you can actually, let's go back there. You can actually also get trade ideas from judging by sentiment and also from the analysis of their experts. So you can actually see USD card. They are saying is should be bearish at this point, and you might have here information of why they are saying it's bearish or bullish, and then you can also do your own analysis and see if it matches their own analysis. The good thing is about everything here is for free. Everything here is for free. The real reason that I wanted to do this video was cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are back on XM. Now you can trade cryptos on XM for now, these are the ones that you can trade, and hopefully they will be adding some more cryptos for us to trade. That's it for this video. If you have questions, if you have ideas, if you have things that you want me to talk about, leave them in the comment section below. I created this channel so that we can help one another to grow as traders. So I enjoy reading your questions and answering them. So if you have questions, if you are struggling with anything that you want me to do a video on, leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer the thing that you are struggling with as best as I can. So subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video, make my day. For you, liking this video probably just takes 1 second, but you would have made my day. So please go ahead and make my day. Until next time, bye.